Graham's Auto and Truck Clinic is pleased to present this 2020 Chevrolet Suburban. If you're in the market for a loaded, all-seasons vehicle that can handle your family and carry anything, then look no further than this 2020 Chevrolet Suburban. The outstanding features on this 2020 Suburban include power sunroof, DVD entertainment system, backup camera, Bluetooth, power rear liftgate, remote engine start, heated seats, and many more amenities. One particular item to note on this particular Suburban is that, as you can see, the vehicle is in very good condition. There's no dents, dings, or scratches on the exterior of this vehicle. So you're getting a new vehicle for the fraction of the price. This is a very expensive vehicle, brand new. And as we continue to walk along the exterior, as I said, very good condition, no dents, dings, or scratches on this vehicle. Let's take a quick look in the front passenger compartment. See, the seats are not excessively worn by any means. Interior trim work is all in very good condition. Rear passenger seating, again, upholstery, fit and finish work is in good condition throughout the vehicle. Dual zone DVD entertainment system, like I previously mentioned. Rear seats are in good condition. So this just isn't some pre-owned, half taken care of used vehicle. This is a nice, clean, well taken care of vehicle, attractively priced, no gimmicks, no slogans. We've been in business for over 30 years, doing right by people and selling nice pre-owned quality vehicles. This vehicle does come with a 6-month, 6,000-mile engine and transmission warranty, in addition to an available certified pre-owned warranty at an additional cost. We do ship vehicles nationwide. We do accept trade-ins, and we do financing as well. We work with major Midwest regional lenders. The aforementioned heated and cooled seats, touchscreen radio display, dual zone HVAC, lane departure warning, adjustable pedals, power sunroof. This vehicle has it all. Factory tow package. You'd be hard pressed to find a more loaded Suburban in a Premier package than this one. Give us a call, 608-839-4618. Winter season is coming, and this vehicle will not last long.